Welcome to Remodeling Reality. I'm your host, Reagan Medji. Have you ever wondered what it takes to remodel your own home? Well, the answer isn't just a lot of patience, but the right people to do the job. So here on LVTV, we decided to follow a few contractors through a remodeling job here at the Atkins house. We'll not only talk to the Atkins family, but also uncover the realities of remodeling. Follow me. Previously on Remodeling Reality, the Atkins house is getting a facelift, and the contractors are working to make the house a home. This week, electrical contractor Tom Shufnisky comes to the Atkins rescue.
We met Mrs. Atkins and we did a walkthrough on the entire project. She didn't have too much of an idea of what she wanted as far as lighting, ceiling fan placement, all that kind of stuff. So what we did is we took the job and customized it to their personal taste. We kept in mind where the furniture will be placed and tried to accommodate their needs.
We want a lot of light. A lot of light.
Yep. So Tom let me peek at the blueprints to find out what's in store for the Atkins. First stop, the master bedroom, where light was lacking.
Master bedroom, the customer brought to our attention that when the house was built, they wished that they had better lighting. Right now they had a ceiling fan and light just in the center.
Yeah.
So what I said to them is, while we're working on the addition, we can come into the old work, that's where our specialty is, and we can put these recessed lights in. This project is not too far off of a typical project that we do. One thing with the kitchen is that it's a pretty intense kitchen.
Tom isn't kidding. Once finished, the kitchen will have 3 types of lighting: overhead lighting for preparing food, under cabinet lighting, and ambiance lighting for entertaining.
And she's gonna have down lights all the way around here on a separate light switch.
Is it going to be the ones that hang
Yes,
down?
pendant lighting. With the pendant hanging, I always bring it to their attention that it's gonna be in their field of view. So if they wanna walk in and see a big open room, pendant lighting is not what you want.
Yeah, it's gonna come
So it's something
pop it
that you
out.
give them.
After the Atkins gave their final plan to Tom, it was time for his crew to start wiring the house. What are we doing here?
After we walk through with the customer, we got the receptacle locations, and one of our men, they come in, they mount the blue boxes up where the customer specified they wanted receptacles, and then we have someone that comes around, drills holes, and then another technician will pull the wires through the holes. Then as they're doing that, what we do is have a man that follows the other one. They strip the wires, they twist the grounds. They're gonna put a crimp barrel on that, tuck this in the back of the box, take your other wires, tuck them in the back of the box like this. Now the insulation comes, they insulate inside the wall cavity, and then the drywallers come and they put up drywall. When we come back, all we're gonna see is this box. Pull the wires out, make the connections to a receptacle, put it in, put a plate on it, and that's the end of the job.
Tom then shows me the master bathroom that's, well, under construction. If you remember, it used to look like this. So how does the layout just goes back there?
You have a tub along the window here with 2 recessed lights above there.
Okay.
Okay, this is just kind of like the main area. You have
Okay.
a long vanity here with 2 sinks.
Oh, wow.
Receptacles, 3 sconces, and then that's where the toilet is with a fan and light.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty nice.
This is quite a project. Wow. Well, Tom says most people think electricians pull cables, fix lights, and receptacles.
What separates us from every other electrical contractor that I feel, Reagan, is that our customer service. Everything from trying to return phone calls within 24 hours, and we confirm our appointments, we show up on time, we're punctual. We also stay up on technology. We do wireless internet setups, computer networking, phone jacks, TV jacks.
So far, Tom Shufnisky is on time with the job. It will take another 4 days to complete. Once all the wiring is done, drywall will be put up, insulation will be put in, and Tom and his crew will come back during the final stages of the entire remodeling project.
Everything's great. We have the job site to ourselves, which is a nice thing. We're not bumping elbows with plumbers and the HVAC people. They came in first, the electricians come in last. Yeah, this job's going very nice, very nice.
Join us next week when we learn how the house stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. We'll see you next time on Remodeling Reality. Remodeling Reality has been brought to you by Joe Sipot's Home Improvements, Shufnisky Electric, Dennis Hollowell Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning, Lehigh Valley Insulation, Helenchik Roofing, People's Building Supply Company, and Creative Tile Imports of Allentown.